Hello everyone. Hope you are doing well. In this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to create animate curtain and how to save the point cache of curtain. It's very easy, just in few steps you will know. Before going to start, please subscribe my channel. So in 3ds Max viewport, first you have to make the plane surface. Make the size normal. Add the segments. Also you have to add the box like this. We have to compress the box. For this, on the auto keyframe, set the key. Compress it. Then again set the key and off the auto keyframe. Now select the plane. Put the cloth modifier. Open Object Properties. Add Object. Add the box. Select the box and make it Collision Object. And plane make it Cloth. Then OK. In the Cloth option select the group. Select the top vertex. And click on Make Group. Make the name, then OK. After that click on Surface. And attach it with the box. Now you have to click on Simulate. So it will start simulating till the 100 frames. Simulation is done, it created it in curtain shape. After that we have to add the wind force. If need, then change the wind parameter. In Cloth option, open the Cloth forces. Add the wind to the right side. Now you have to adjust the keyframes. 100 frame we already simulate. Now adding 200 frame more. In the Cloth options, mark the self collision. And make the end frame 300. Now click on Simulate. So it will start simulating 100 to 300. Adjust curtain frames. It's working good. After that put the point cache modifier on curtain. Click on New. and save the cache file. Frame are set. Click on the record. In few seconds it save the cache file. After that you can easily copy it and can remove the other modifier. One more thing. If you make the plane again, copy the point cache and paste on it. It will also work on it. Hope you will like this tutorial. Please subscribe my channel for more informative videos. And leave the comment for any question. Thanks for watching.